everybody, I'm heading to the historical Capitol building here in DC. I thought I would check it out and bring you guys along with me. So let's go. I'm sure you guys guess it where I am right now. And today I will give you a walk or a tour, hopefully inside the Capitol building, which is right there. That's a big building behind me. And Capitol building, this is where all the good stuff happened. And so much history, guys. So I will just walk you through and just to show you around, and yeah, let's go and explore, guys. So this is the park out the front of the Capitol building. It's remind me Center Park in New York City. It's always packed with visitor as well as local running or walking their dogs. It's a really cool place to have a walk around with a great view of the Capitol building. So it's a beautiful day to do this today. Actually, the weather is good. You don't get this kind of weather here that often, but lucky me, it's a nice day to kind of walk you around and show you around. So I'm heading through the building side, but on the way just to show you guys around. Look like they're working on the Capitol building, but I hope we'll be able to kind of. Last time when I was here, they let us go inside, but this time I don't know. As you guys see right there, they're renovating it, so we'll see how that goes. All right, beautiful people. So again, unfortunately, we can't get in this time, but you guys can see it from here. And so they are doing a serious upgrade to the building, and so I can just show you around, but we can't go this time. Go ahead, no problem. Yeah, this is it. So those are the stairs going upward, and also here, and they have also the same structure or access from the other side of the building. It's a bright sunny day today. The sun is too bright, and I forgot my sunnies in the car, but that's okay. My car is too far away to go and get my sunnies, but you know, I will manage it without it. Also, guys, as a side tips, if you guys coming with a vehicle, then you guys can park pretty much like in this areas everywhere. I'm going to show you, like there's park there and there's park around the Capitol building, but some of them or most of them are you have to pay the parking fee. But down there I want to show you, so when you come to the Capitol building, on the left side down there, there is a like an open ground, and you can park it for free. So just the tips in case if you guys come with a vehicle, then that you know, that's where you can park the car for free, and you guys don't need to pay cash, so you guys can save some cash. Yeah, so yeah, I will that's another tips for the day, and it's nice big parking lot. All right guys, so that was for today. I hope you guys enjoyed a little outside tour for the Capitol building, and thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one, guys.